Hi, I'm Lee from BodyMe and thank you for visiting. Our company was formed from my frustration with unnatural, undigestible and unethical protein supplements and my wanting to create kinder products, more in sync with nature, people, animals and the planet. And so at BodyMe, we make organic vegan nutrition to help you live life to the max naturally and ethically. All our products are certified organic and registered with the Vegan Society. And we love to keep things simple, using only the finest, easy to understand, real food ingredients with no BS, nothing artificial and free from gluten and GMOs. BodyMe is not just a brand, we actually make, pack and ship all of your products so you get consistent care and attention throughout the whole journey with us. And we make everything in small batches so you get the freshest products with the longest shelf life and best prices. I'm so confident you'll love our products. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Thanks again for visiting. Check out our products and reviews and feel free to drop us an email or a message with any questions.